Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is great. What? Oh. Today's episode. How do you do, interwebs and webber? Welcome to Stories of My Life. So today, Wednesday, Stockholm, Sweden. A lot is going to happen. The weather is fine. I'm just wearing this. I got a jacket in me backpack because it might get colder. I'm now going to pick up some stuff I ordered. I think is a lovely kaftan. Yes, a kaftan. I'm going cray here. Well, it is by a certain Swedish designer, so I thought, and he did it for Ikea, and it's mostly for sort of, a beach kaftan. After that, I'm going to a secondhand store and sort of donate some stuff for, charity. Then I'm going home to Ulf because he's in Sicily now and I need to water his plants. Then I'm going into the theatre to get ready for tomorrow because tomorrow we're having a photo shoot for upcoming productions. And then I'm going back to where Ulf lives because there's a mall there and I'm going to go do some grocery shopping. And in the evening I plan to take a lovely bubbly bath. I am addicted to bubbly baths. Join me for a fantastic day in the lovely land of Sweden, in the lovely city of Stockholm, in the company of the lovely, me. I'm going to try an experiment. This is full with stuff that I'm going to donate, but I'm going to leave it here while going into the shop to see if it's still there when I get back, because I was going to donate it, so, if someone needs it, they can just take it. Let's get a kaftan. At least I hope it's a kaftan. Oh, still there. Well, I guess that's good. No thieves around. Oh, okay. Usually he's much more tidy, so I guess he left in a hurry. Stupid electrical door. The most important thing today is, of course, my mother's birthday. So I just called her and sang. And I have a lovely singing voice. Everyone says so. And she was sort of enchanted. And then she said, well, I can't talk now because I'm watching The Golden Boy. It's a Turkish sort of soap. She's not Turkish. I think they got subtitles. She's enraptured in it. It's I don't know how many every day of the week. I think I'm not sure. Anyway, she sort of hates and loves people in it. So he said, I can't talk now. Goodbye. Oh, lovely. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is great. What? Oh. What's this then? Wait. What? No. Oh, they're just sewn together that way. Good, because I thought, you know, going commando, but then you can't. Oh, possibly. But I won't be doing it in the city, you know, on the beach or something like that. Oh, yes. It's a bit Demis Rossos, isn't it? Here we go again.
So long, dearie, dear.